I'm Cadet Schroeder.
And I'm Cadet Garrett.
And this is our Math Interdisciplinary Modeling Project.
So, to model how much retirement you'll get after your numbers of service in the Army, we've created two
models.
Two models.
The first is the legacy model, and this is the old system that was used for retirement in the military. It was 25% times your years of service times your monthly pay, but you had to serve at least 20 years for this to work. If you left a day before your 20-year mark, you wouldn't get anything.
So, the blended retirement system is different in the fact that you can earn it whenever you retire from the Army. So if you retire after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you still get retirement. So in this system, you only get about 80% of what you would get with legacy. So it's 0.02 times N, the number of years you've served, times P, your monthly pay. But in order to make up for the fact that you don't get quite as much in the blended, they match your contributions to your TSP savings account. So if you serve under 2 years in the Army, they will add, no matter how much you're contributing, 0.01 to your savings account every month. And then if you serve over 2 years, they'll match your contribution up to a certain point. So if you're contributing 3% of your monthly pay, they'll contribute 3% of your monthly pay to your savings account. And so pretty much this long equation model that we have written out just shows you the amount that you'll have in your TSP account after a certain number of years in the Army.
The assumptions for these models is that the pay rates won't change and that they won't try to change the retirement systems again. And we also assume that the first year would retire early and that the NCO would stay in the Army.
So this is pretty much just an example of what an E6 would make if you retired after however many years. So our first column is what year he retired in. So if you retired after 1 year and you were in E6 pay rate, you would get, if you were under legacy, you wouldn't get anything until you served 20 years. And if you went with blended, column C shows how much he would make, or how much his retirement monthly pay would be. And then D column shows how much he would have in his TSP savings account if he was contributing 1% every month. And then column E shows how much he would have in his TSP savings account if you contribute